picking this is car lot pickers in Leipers Fork, Tennessee. January, I want to say, I know it's the last Wednesday in January. I'm doing an Avalanche, the Texas edition. What year is this vehicle?
2011.
2011. I find this way to be the easiest way on this vehicle is to grab the handle, grab the knob right here. This knob has a leverage on it where you can actually grab it with this tool. If you bend it and put a hook on it like this, it should be able to grab that and pull it straight up very quickly. Of course, make sure all the air is out of your bag. Once you get the bag in, I like to go about 4.5 inches, 5 inches down. Tighten your bag up. Give it a pump. I like to go where just a little bit bigger than my stick opening. Once I'm in, I come down, and right here is where that is. Give it a lot of tension. Come up with it straight up. Pull your tool out. Set your tool down. Let the air out of your bag. Make sure it is completely sealed. Pull your bag out. Car's unlocked. Here you keys, that we're on seat. Another satisfied customer, Car Lot Pickers. Peace out.